Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to compare Shippo and ShipStation. Both of these platforms help you streamline your shipping and order fulfillment processes, but they do it in very different ways and are built for distinct types of businesses. In this video, I'll cover their overall overviews, core features, pricing, and much more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which shipping solution is the right choice for your business needs. So, let's get started. Let's start with Shippo. Shippo is a shipping software that helps make shipping simple for online retailers, small businesses, and even larger companies. It's super flexible because you only pay for the labels you create. There are no expensive monthly fees. Shippo offers great features like discounted shipping rates, comparing carriers in real time, and an easy way to create shipping labels for both local and international orders. It also works seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Magneto, and BigCommerce. Plus, its developer-friendly API lets businesses add shipping features to their own workflows. Now, let's talk about ShipStation. ShipStation is built for businesses that ship in high volumes or sell across multiple channels. Whether you're selling on your website, marketplaces like Amazon or eBay, or even from a physical store with an online shop, ShipStation helps manage everything in one place. It comes with powerful tools like advanced order management, bulk processing, and detailed reports to track your shipping performance. A big highlight is its huge network of integrations. Over 100 carriers and tons of e-commerce platforms. This means that you can view and manage all your orders and shipping details from a single dashboard. ShipStation is perfect for medium to larger businesses handling lots of orders who need automation, custom workflows, and in-depth tracking to stay on top of things. Alright, let's take a closer look at the core features of both platforms. Shippo is all about keeping things simple and flexible. One of its best features is the ability to compare shipping rates from different carriers in real time. This helps businesses pick the cheapest option for each shipment, which is super helpful for small businesses or solo sellers who want to save money without signing long-term deals with carriers. Shippo also makes creating shipping labels really easy. You just input the package details, and with a couple of clicks, you're good to go. Plus, it has solid tracking features that automatically update you on where your shipment is and send delivery notifications in real time. For developers, Shippo is a great pick too, because its API setup allows you to integrate shipping functions directly into custom workflows. That said, while Shippo does a great job at keeping things simple, it might not be the best choice for larger businesses that need advanced order management or bulk processing tools. On the other hand, ShipStation is built for businesses that need a powerful tool to handle a lot of shipping. It's packed with features to make high volume shipping easier. At its core, ShipStation helps you manage orders from different places, like your website, online marketplaces, or even physical stores, all in one simple dashboard. This means you can process orders in bulk, automate tasks like printing labels and sending shipping notifications, and handle even complex shipping workflows without stress. Plus, it integrates with over 100 carriers, letting you compare rates and choose the best option, especially helpful if you ship internationally or use multiple carriers. You can even set up automation rules so orders are processed exactly how you want based on specific criteria. ShipStation also gives you detailed reports and analytics to track shipping performance, see where you're spending money, and find ways to save. A big part of core functionality is how it impacts customer experience and branding. ShipStation lets you create branded shipping labels, packing slips, and email notifications. This helps improve the overall customer experience while strengthening your brand. It's especially useful for bigger retailers who want to stay professional and build customer loyalty. On the other hand, Shippo focuses on keeping things simple and affordable. While it does offer basic branding options, its main goal is to provide flexible and cost-effective shipping without overwhelming you with extra features. That's why Shippo is perfect for small businesses or those just starting out who want to keep costs down and things easy. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Now let's talk about how Shippo and ShipStation handle integration and automation. Shippo keeps things simple with its API-first approach, making it super easy to connect with different e-commerce platforms or even custom systems. It works with all the big e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, plus marketplaces like Amazon. This means you can automate your shipping process without worrying about whether it will work with your system. Shippo also has handy automation features like real-time rate comparisons, automated label printing, and shipping tracking updates. These tools save you time and cut down on manual tasks. If your business deals with fluctuating order volumes, Shippo's integrations and automations make life a lot easier. You can scale smoothly without spending a ton of money or dealing with complicated tech setups. On the other hand, ShipStation takes things up a notch with its integrations and automations, making it perfect for businesses that handle a lot of orders. It connects not just with e-commerce platforms, but also with ERP or enterprise resource planning systems, marketplaces, and even accounting software. Basically, it acts like a central hub to manage orders, shipping, and logistics all in one place. The automation features are super handy too. You can set up rules to automatically choose shipping methods, create shipping labels in bulk, send tracking info to customers, and even trigger custom actions based on the order details. This cuts down on manual work and lowers the risk of mistakes, which is a big deal for businesses handling hundreds or even thousands of orders. Sure, it might feel like overkill for smaller sellers, but for medium to large retailers, ShipStation's advanced features can make a huge difference. They'll save time, cut costs, and make operations smoother overall. Pricing is always an important factor when choosing a shipping solution. So let's take a look at how Shippo and ShipStation compare in terms of cost. Shippo has 3 plans to fit different business needs: free starter, professional, and premier. The free starter plan is great if you're just starting out. It lets you create up to 30 labels per month for free. The professional plan costs $19 per month and works well for growing businesses that need 100 to 200 labels per month. Finally, the premier plan is made for bigger businesses. It includes extra support and multi-user access, but you'll need to contact Shippo for pricing. ShipStation, on the other hand, offers 4 plans: starter, growth, scale, and high volume. The starter plan is $9.99 per month and covers up to 50 shipments per month, perfect for small businesses. The growth plan costs $29.99 a month and handles up to 500 shipments, great for businesses that are scaling up. If you're managing a lot more, the scale plan is $99.99 per month and supports up to 2,000 shipments. And for businesses with heavy shipping needs, the high volume plan is $399.99 per month and includes unlimited shipments. Each of these ShipStation plans also comes with a variety of features, like how many users can access the account and what level of support you'll get. So, which platform should you go with? Well, it really depends on how much shipping you're doing and what your business needs. If you're a small business or an individual seller and you want something simple, flexible, and affordable, Shippo might be your best bet. It's great for businesses with ups and downs in shipping volume because of its pay-as-you-go pricing. Plus, it's easy to connect with e-commerce platforms and creating labels is super straightforward. But if you're dealing with a lot of orders across different channels and need more advanced tools, ShipStation could be the way to go. It's packed with features like order automation, detailed analytics, and tons of carrier options. This makes it a solid choice for bigger retailers who need to keep everything running smoothly. In the end, it comes down to your shipping volume, budget, and how complex your order fulfillment is. Choose what fits your business best. That's it for today's comparison. I hope this video has helped you understand the differences between Shippo and ShipStation, and even given you a clear picture of which platform might be the best fit for your shipping needs. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth SaaS reviews, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences with these shipping solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.